What's next for Panther right now?
Some tour I have, put off. I have tour. I have an England tour.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it canceled because of the COVID thing.
Mm-hmm.
That I fixed back, Me have Japan coming up. I mean, have me supposed to go Africa. So I want to thing like pipeline, man. I just through the COVID, Cause me not stop working. I never stop tour yet. Me never rest.
Okay.
I always at tour.
You're a legend. You're the 9-star general. So then clearly you're gonna
man.
be
Ever at tour, man. No rest, man.
You get it. One last question I have here for you. I was watching the Teach Them the other night, and you were talking about the Bunty situation where you guys were King Jammies and then the other Bunty Hunter and stuff like. One thing I've never heard you talk about really is how come you were never really a killer selector since you had the link from back then. You were there.
Yeah, everybody asks him that, but it's up to the DJ because he knew I was there from start. I did the whole journey. I'm not gonna take all the glories of me bossing, but I play a big role from start. That can prove it. That same argument can prove it. Because when me there on the journey with him from name Bunty Hunter, which know all of these people, not even matter around, never know their name, so.
Yeah.
Based on this, none of them, they meet him after. Me and Firelings was there from beginning. When the name had changed, everything, all the error there, me did it. And I don't know, for some reason when him bus and things I go up, he rate me and everything, and me get song, because when me just go solo, him call me and give me a song, he give me like 20 songs.
Okay.
Yeah, when me just go solo, him give me a start. So I can't say nothing bad about him. So, but the part where I say, say, I'm selector like that, that's up to him,
Yeah.
He must choose that. I can't talk that part for him.
Yeah.
But I know I was there. I know I was there from beginning before all of them.
Yeah.
The only person who was there at that time in my career was Firelings. Because I play a song named Black Ark and me I play a song named Russell. That's before Black Cat time.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.